Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that enables computers to simulate human intelligence and problem-solving capabilities or even nature itself. Here's an example of a genetic algorithm. This algorithm is inspired by the process of natural selection and it simulates that process to create optimal solution to a problem. In this example, the AI's goal is to make these human-like vehicles learn to walk. To do so, it compares the distance it managed to cover with the older generation and it selects the next generation on distance value alone. When ordinary people hear the word AI, they think of OpenAI's ChatGPT, but ChatGPT is just one of many neural network-based algorithms that exist out there. AI encompasses a broader range of technologies, including machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics, each with its unique algorithms and applications. From recommendation systems that suggests what movies the user is most likely gonna watch, to autonomous vehicles navigating the streets using special technologies like the LiDAR sensor that the new iPhone 15 has. And even in healthcare systems, AI algorithms are assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases. This medical professional on Wired says that AI is catching the smallest details in CAT scans that we cannot possibly see, thanks to computers having innate abilities to detect the tiniest errors in images. And he mentions that these tools will not go away anytime soon. And so, AI is transforming every sector of our society. This expansive field continues to grow, driven by the pursuit of solving some of the most challenging and complex problems facing humanity today. But does AI bring more good than harm? To train AIs like ChatGPT, a massive amount of data is required to train. So the data is gathered from the internet. This includes many original copyrighted content, like images and articles that someone wrote and created. These big tech companies are the only ones benefiting from all of this. One of the fairly recent events that happened is the 2023 Reddit API controversy. In summary, Reddit tried to monetize upon its user-generated data because a lot of AI companies were using it for training. However, making its service paid meant that the people who managed those contents were being exploited and their data was being sold, and so Reddit stopped that because of the huge backlash it got. But I think it's still just a tool for us to take advantage of for now, because it hasn't shown the ability to reason yet. The most crucial part of a programmer's job is the ability to logic and turn that logic into a code. So I think it still has a lot of catching up to the nature's creation, the human brain, that has evolved millions of years, and I do believe that AI has the potential to be a greater thing than a job replacement. With the fundings of the biggest tech companies in the world and with the most talented engineers out there working on advancing the future of AI, it seems there is no near future where AI stops developing and dying soon. This is the current peak of AI's advancement that demonstrates the true capabilities of it. This is a sample video of a kangaroo dancing on a stage that was generated by the OpenAI's latest model, Sora. This AI has the ability to turn any text prompt into a 1 minute long high quality video.